Hi, this is Yoshi. Change the starting music again. Okay, lecture 16 is Iris. I must tell you at the beginning, this is going to be a long process. First, use a square shaped paper. Fold rectangle, it's a mountain folding. Unfold and fold rectangle from the other direction, also mountain folding. And then the next is unfold rectangle and fold diagonal, big triangle. This is vary folding. And push center area from the bottom, and it will be naturally fold into a square. Now this is what you learned at the valley and mountain folding. Okay, there are a total of four sized triangle. Fold each of them as shown here. First, fold a long triangle, then open that folded triangle like this. Fold small triangle at the upper side of this odd-shaped rhombus. Fold small triangle is to mark the line and make next move easier. Do the same for the both side. Then unfold these two small triangles just you folded, and then open that one, and it will come out like this, and change the direction of small triangle. Okay, from here, do the same for the rest of three sides triangle. Following is the second one. It might be easier to see the supplemental video. Small triangle, marking the line, unfold, open it, then go to the next. This is the third one. This is exactly the same as the number one. This is the fourth one. Fold long triangle and then make it open. Fold small triangle on the other side, which is marking lines. Open and then create a odd-shaped rhombus. Now completed all four half-sized triangle and converted the shape like this. For long side small triangle again, each rhombus has two to fold. This is the opposite. Now you are going to do four of them like this. Oh, before that, fold thinner part towards overlapped side. Okay, that's the first one. Now work the second rhombus, long shaped triangle, and thinner side to fold in. And this is going to be the third one. And thinner side to fold. Okay, third one is done. The fourth one, open the fourth rhombus, create small long triangles, and thin part to fold. Okay, all done. Now open this iris flower, just pull each of them. Do it gently, otherwise you will break it. Although it looks very complicated due to many foldings, but it is actually repetition, so it's not that difficult. Okay, that's done. Okay, this is a supplement video for Iris. This is the famous two mountain folding and one valley folding, and convert it into a square instantly. Okay, this is the valley folding triangle. Tap from the bottom. The valley folding area is going to be folded in. Very simple. You should be getting used to now. Okay, this is the part might be difficult for the slideshow to show. Okay, fold triangle and open that one like this, and then fold small triangle, mark the lines, okay, you fold, that's where the center point of the odd shape rhombus that he's making. That's one technique you can adopt by yourself too. Okay. Now change the direction of small triangle. Now go to the second one. Fold triangle and make that triangle open. Mark the line in order to make a rhombus later on. So he's marking the point and open that two triangles and make it odd shaped rhombus. Change the direction of small triangle. So as you see, iris requires a lots of processes, but it's not that difficult. If you do twice, then you can really remember well. And the technique or the processes are commonly used for the next lecture's frog. So we are on the third triangle. Okay. Change the direction. Now coming to the last one. Last quarter-sized triangle. Create a long triangle and insert your finger in there and shape like this. Now you realize when compared to week ones, which were airplanes, you are now getting used to a lot more complicated, lot more process required origami. For iris and frog, the next lecture is probably requires lots of processes. Okay, now go back to the video. Okay, work on the four to create small long triangles. This part is going to be a flower. flat face rhombus to create two long triangles, and change the direction of the thinner area. Okay, the key is the flat area, flat surface. Then create long shaped triangle. And this triangle to fold into the side. Okay, third one is done. This is going to be the last one. Find the flat surface. And fold long triangles. Change the direction here. So you did all four of them. Now the time to open this flower, iris. Two, three, now this is the last one, the fourth one. Oh, he found it. Okay. Now you need to do some, nice finishing. Okay. Good. Lecture 16, iris is done. Next is frog. See you.